Hello everyone. Welcome back again in the next session of Biology of class 10. In our previous session we have discussed that how we can conserve the forest and wildlife. In that, at the end of that session I told you that you have to read two case studies which are given there in the textbook. Okay, there are two case studies given. First is khejri trees. This is one of the incident of the Khejrali village in the Rajasthan in 17th century, 1731 I guess. And in that what happens, the Amrita Devi Bishnoi, that lady has lead the group of 363 people, and they sacrificed their life for saving these khejri trees. This khejri tree in the Garhwal district is one of the very old and big tree and having some aesthetic value behind the conservation of these trees. So this is become a very popular and good example for the conservation of the wildlife and the forest. From that time onward, the government has declared a national award by the name of late Amrita Devi Bishnoi, National Award for the Conservation of Wildlife. Okay. The next one is the Chipko Andolan, or this is also referred as the Hug the Trees movement. What happens in 1970s near about, there was the group of people who were living along the forest side, in the periphery of the forest side, and all the men were working in the forest. Even primarily they were depend upon the products of the forest like timber, wood, little bit hunting and poaching of the animals, small animals like rabbit and all. And the main of these people, this community, were working in the nearby area to get some money for their bread and butter. A contractor has got a contract of that forest to cut the trees, and these trees were, that wood, that timber were used for the many purpose like furniture, building material and so on. What happened, those people, those who were living around that forest, they were not allowing that contractor to cut down the forest. Then what he has done, one day all the main flock was out of the area for some work, and that time what he has done, that contractor brought his worker to the forest to cut down these trees. Then that time all the ladies, see, men were already outside for the work. All the ladies, they came together and they hugged the tree. उन्होंने उन ट्री के ट्रंक को हक किया और उन्होंने बोला कॉन्ट्रैक्टर को, अगर आपको ये ट्री कट करना है तो आपको पहले हमें मारना पड़ेगा, then you are allowed to cut that tree. And all the ladies, almost all the ladies, they have hugged maximum number of trees as far as possible for them for at that time. Then the forest कट करने के लिए जो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर आया था, उन्होंने उनको बहुत धमकाया भी, डराया भी, इवन उनको थोड़ा सा लालच भी दिखाया कि we will do this for you, we will do that for you. But still those ladies, though they were so poor, though they were so needy, they didn't listen for anything of that contractor, and they remained stuck to their decision that they will not allow that contractor to cut those trees. At last, finally, that contractor moved back. He went back and he didn't cut those trees, and from that time these news has spread so drastically in the surrounding area, and the people, those who are living in the surrounding premises, came for their help, and in that way these trees were saved, that forest were saved. Why? Because this is not only the concern of forest or the trees, actually the concern is with both the trees as well as the animals which are living, animals, birds which are living, surviving in that forest. That's what we are referring as a wildlife. So once you are saving the forest, ultimately the wildlife is also being saved. Are you getting? Once you will save the forest, ultimately the wildlife will also get saved. And because of that these people, those they are related with the forest for their basic need, they are not at all allowing the people to harm, to exploit the forest. Understand? This is Now the local people, those who are living, they are also helped to conserve the forest. One more case study is given that you can read in your textbook. How? Because once the government or any authority like NGOs वगैरह activists जो saplings वहाँ पे plant करते हैं, तो local people की help से वो plant को मदद कर सकते हैं उनको जिंदा रखने के लिए. Okay. Now conservation of wildlife. I'll give you one example. In your previous syllabus you have studied in previous chapter you have studied the food chain. What is mean by food chain? Food chain means in the ecosystem every organism is depend upon the other for its food. We will take one example. For example, rat or mice. Okay, then snake, then eagle. Right, these three components we will take into consideration. Now snake, the middle component. Suppose rat, snake. This we will focus on snake. Many people hunt or kill the snake. Why? Because the skin of the snake is used in many accessories like purses or leather material. स्किन से स्नेक की स्किन से जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट या मटेरियल बनते हैं, जैसे वैलेट्स होते हैं, पर्सेस होती है, या फिर जैकेट्स भी होते हैं डिजाइन, वो सारे केस में स्नेक की स्किन बहुत ज्यादा स्केल पे यूज की जाती है अप टू सम एक्सटेंट. सो व्हाट पीपल वर डूइंग, people have started to hunt the snake very tremendously, very largely. Okay, because of that what happened, the number of snake is getting reduced. Number of snake has been reduced. उसका दूसरा इम्पैक्ट क्या हुआ कि रैट और माइट ये क्या हो गए, बढ़ गए. उनको खाने वाला कोई है ही नहीं तो बढ़ेंगे ऑफ कोर्स. सो द फूड चेन गेट कंप्लीटली डिस्टर्ब. व्हाई? बिकॉज इनकी भी नंबर कम हो गई. माइनस साइन इंडिकेट्स रिड्यूस, डिक्रीज, लेस. एज देयर वर नो प्रेडेटर फॉर द रैट, दे इंक्रीज इन नंबर, and there was no prey for eagle, that's why they decrease. And these rat and mice, they are started to feed on the crops on the field on large, and they have started to destroy the crop. So ultimately whatever yield was expected in the farm has been reduced, has been cut off. So when you are drawing out one of the object, one of the animal, one of the living organism from the food chain, from the ecosystem, any ecosystem you can take desert, aquatic, land, whichever, it collapse whole food chain. That's why it should be restricted, it should be banned. Okay, now for this the government has taken some actions. What they have made some criterias, laws. First, very important, listen carefully. आपको ये लिखना है आपको. First, government should make some laws, and these laws should not remain on the paper. That should be applied practically in case of conservation of forest and wildlife both. Second, whenever any organization, whenever any industry, whenever any stakeholder cut the plant from the forest for any purpose with the permission of government or anyhow, they are strictly instructed to plant multiple number of saplings, and they have to take care of them at that place where they have done that. Clear? What that? Deforestation. Third, government should maintain the record of the number of animals present in particular ecosystem, so that they can maintain the record. Red data book you may have heard. They can maintain the record. If the animals are abundant, they are in extinct, they are vanished, or what else. By the record they will come to know. And those animals, those birds, those plant species are on the verge of extinction. They must provide a special attention for them. Fourth, the animals which are on the verge of extinction, government should construct or design artificial diversity like atmosphere for them, and allow them to लीव इन दैट एटमॉस्फेयर, जैसे हम बायोडाइवर्सिटी बोलते हैं, जिसे हम सेंचुरीज बोलते हैं, जिसे हम नेशनल पार्क्स बोलते हैं, दैट शुड बी डेवलप इन सच अ वे दैट natural habitat of those animals and birds should be available over there. And the last one, the person, every person related to the forest and wildlife or any natural resource must aware about their responsibilities for the particular resource. And at last, hunting and poaching, hunting and poaching both ultimately means killing, but both should be strictly banned. No matter the animal, the bird which they are going to hunt is abundant in number or very rare in number, it should be completely banned. ठीक है? Now up to this topic you have to write your notes, and as you have posted yesterday, you have to post today also. Very few of you like Hansraj, Akanksha, Shreyas and Anurag, these 4 students notes only I have got. Rest of students I have not yet got. If you want to continue with this type of teaching, you have to be active on your sides. Parents, it's request to you that you must pay attention in these period, especially in this period. Okay? Okay. See you in next session. Till that, keep on studying.